ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନମସ୍କାର। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଫୁଲ୍ ଫର୍ମ ଅଫ୍ DAT? Right answer is digital audio tape. What is the full form of DDR? Right answer is double data rate. What is the full form of DDR SDRAM? Right answer is double data rate synchronous dynamic random access memory. What is the full form of DOS? Right answer is disk operating system. What is the full form of DOC? Right answer is data optimizing computer. What is the full form of D small o small c? Right answer is document. What is the full form of DVD? Right answer is digital versatile disk. What is the full form of DVI? Right answer is digital visual interface. What is the full form of DVDR? Right answer is digital versatile disk recordable. What is the full form of DVD-RW? Right answer is digital versatile disk rewritable. What is the full form of DBMS? Right answer is database management system. What is the full form of DRAM? Right answer is dynamic random access memory. What is the full form of DDL? Right answer is data definition language. What is the full form of DHTML? Right answer is dynamic hypertext markup language. What is the full form of DML? Right answer is data manipulation language. What is the full form of DNS? Right answer is domain name system. What is the full form of DPI? Right answer is dots per inch. What is the full form of DNA? Right answer is distributed internet architecture. Distributed internet architecture short form होउछि DNA, not DIA. What is the full form of DARPANET? Right answer is Defense Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Next question. What is the full form of DVR? Right answer is Digital Video Recorder. Like, share, comments and subscribe जमारू भूलेनी. Thank you for watching.